Okay, I'm going to slice the steak about right there. So I got a couple steaks here cut. I'm going to put a little salt, rub that on there, a little pepper, rub that on there, flip them, do the same thing. These steaks are dinner for me and my baby German Shepherd. Of course, my baby German Shepherd just isn't a normal German Shepherd. He's a war dog. His name is Damon. And Damon is my beautiful puppy. He is my beautiful puppy. And he's waiting for his dinner. So he's going to get some filet mignon. And it's going to be put on his dry food along with his carprofen medicine. And he gets the Dashquin for his joints. Yes, this dog gets the best of everything because he deserves it.